This is more than luxury, it's a love letter to the future. What if your home wasn't just a place to live, but a living system? Imagine walls and foundations that sense the first tremors of an earthquake before you even feel them, adjusting in seconds to shield you. A home that braces itself, protects you, and adapts instantly, turning chaos into calm. Not just shelter, but a guardian. This isn't science fiction, this is the house of the future, built to keep humanity safe. Today, millions of people live on fragile land, exposed to earthquakes, floods, and extreme climates. Traditional homes weren't designed to sense danger. They crack, collapse, and leave families helpless. But the future tells a different story. By 2050, homes won't just shelter us, they'll think. They'll detect tremors before the ground shifts, rise above floods, and shield against deadly heat. A home that feels, adapts, and reacts, turning survival into certainty. Now, let's step inside. The entrance itself isn't just a doorway, it's alive, a gateway into safety. As you approach, microsensors beneath your feet read the slightest ground vibration, detecting movement invisible to the human eye. Instantly, the house adjusts its foundation in real time, stabilizing before danger even arrives. The door doesn't just open, it recognizes you, scans your vitals, and confirms the environment is secure. Before you've even stepped inside, the home has already decided you are safe, protected, and in control. In the living room, the walls aren't static, they're alive with seismic awareness. Hidden panels sense the slightest tremor and instantly shift, bracing the structure like protective muscles. At the same time, the environment responds to you. Lights soften to ease anxiety, while subtle sound waves calm your heartbeat, reducing panic in moments of crisis. This isn't just a room to gather, it's a living shield, designed to protect both your body and your mind when the world outside turns unstable. The kitchen is fully AI-powered, turning daily routines into futuristic safety. Robotic chefs prepare meals with precision, while self-cleaning counters keep everything spotless. But beneath the elegance lies survival design. Adaptive surfaces automatically anchor pots, pans, and appliances during sudden shakes. Imagine cooking dinner, and before you even feel the tremor, the kitchen stabilizes itself, protecting you and your food in perfect sync. The bedroom is designed as a true sanctuary, where safety meets serenity. Smart glass darkens the moment you lie down, blocking noise and chaos outside. Climate control doesn't just adjust temperature, it syncs with your heartbeat and breathing, creating perfect rest. Beneath it all, hidden seismic dampers absorb tremors silently, cradling the room in stability. Even when the earth moves, your sleep remains untouched, peaceful, protected, and futuristic. The bathroom goes beyond function, it becomes a sanctuary of healing. A self-purifying water system ensures endless clean flow, while aromatherapy mist calms your senses like a spa retreat. The walls themselves are alive, bracing automatically if tremors strike, turning chaos into calm. Even in the middle of uncertainty, you can bathe, breathe, and feel safe, because this bathroom doesn't just serve you, it protects you. The TV lounge isn't just a place to relax, it's the brain of the home. Immersive AI walls project seismic data in real time, showing you exactly what's happening beneath your feet. At a gesture, it transforms into a full holographic theater for entertainment, or instantly shifts into a command hub during emergencies, guiding your family with calm, clear instructions. Comfort and survival merge in one intelligent space. And then, the pool. At first glance, it's pure luxury. But hidden beneath the surface lies a living engineering system. Adaptive membranes redirect waves to counter seismic shocks, turning water into a stabilizing force. In a quake, the pool absorbs and balances vibrations, protecting the home. By day, it's beauty and leisure, by night, it's silent armor. A fusion of elegance and resilience. But what if your walls could expand to create new safe zones? What if your furniture itself became protective shields during a quake? What if your house wasn't just a structure, but your guardian? Standing here, you realize, this isn't a house. It's alive. A guardian, a partner in survival. Its walls sense danger, its core thinks faster than fear, and its skin reacts before disaster strikes. For the first time in history, a home doesn't wait, it protects. Not brick, not steel, but a living organism built to shield humanity in a world of chaos. This was just one glimpse into the homes of tomorrow. A future where safety meets beauty, and technology meets humanity. If you loved this journey, hit like, share this vision, and subscribe to Next Gen Homes, because the future is already being built. But this is just the beginning. In our next episode, are you ready for an AI technology home you never expected?